Make sure we stack tight, okay?
I wonder how they had the healers get enough stacks to be able to do a solo tank strat. Like, I don't know.
Practicing on the PTR for a long time.
Okay, stack tight on the square.
Charger,
Dana,
up here
move.
where I'm at. Scoot up.
Okay, so Hunter and I are
Okay,
healing
there you
top
go.
here.
Yep.
The rest of the healers have to ensure that
Hero
they can't
guys.
live.
I have 2 stacks. Go ahead and take it.
I'm going to let you get a couple more. All right.
I think two is fine.
Now, I'd let you get 4.
I'm dispersioning now. See, I have tormented. There's no way I'm gonna survive
Okay, now go.
decimation.
Go. Move.
Okay, so Hunter and I are healing monkey now.
Okay, I'm soaking now. Tell you. I'm at 4. I'm at 8. I'm at 10. Okay, start coming into soak. Yeah. Moving away. Once you soak, you move away from everyone. Okay, square, you're moving.
Okay, I'm gonna be healing this.
Right, Charger has
Joker.
boss.
Hero guys, soak. Solarissa take over.
Once your debuff runs out, you're going
Solarissa
back
soak.
into the group.
Yeah, I got it.
Monkey has boss. Do you still have stacks, Charger?
I have 5 Blaze of Glory stacks. I can solo the next one.
Okay. Stay stacked still. Just wait. Okay, now you move. Slursa move a little bit more. Okay, good.
Nampy's healing monkey now.
It's out left where I was.
It's out left.
Next
Pop,
to
you gotta
Solaris.
go to. Yeah. It's okay. Stay here, guys. Pop will get it. Good exchange. Always wait for someone to go in there before you leave.
I have boss. Charger has boss. Big heals. Monkey, if I survive this, just let me keep it. Okay.
Good
I need
charger.
big heals. I started getting hit. I need a better rise, guys. Alright, I'm up. I need buffs.
Move.
Taunt the boss and get a couple stacks.
I'll
whenever
soak
you're
this.
stable.
I have 5
I'm
already.
healing Minx.
Okay,
I'm
so
healing
they
this
don't fall
Joker.
off.
Yeah, I'm
Nope.
soaking.
Joker, big heals on monkey, please. I'm not healing him.
I'm at 10. Okay, come over and take this. Fan for it. Yep.
Okay, take it.
Big heals on Charger.
Oh, that's why.
Here comes shards. You're moving.
Yeah, I'm healing the tank now.
Hero guys gonna soak.
All right, Monkey has it back.
I can
Charger's
solo the
dead
next
again.
range one. Maybe have Natty take the next
Solaris on the
decimation.
10.
Yeah, we have Balras in 10. Okay, in 13 we'll get you up.
Okay, that should be enough time.
Yeah, 8 seconds. Pop, are you getting the next soak on here
Yep.
or no? Okay. Watch Solrissa if you can. Okay, get ready to battle res him. Okay, battle res Charger. Move, get him up, and then rebuff.
That's-
Rebuff. Good.
Yeah, I'm
Watch
healing
this.
pop.
They got the good blades.
Keep healing monkey.
Yeah.
Keep him alive, please.
Neeks,
Dispersioning now.
I will get next.
I
I'm
got
gonna pop a
tormented.
major. Just
Okay,
in
it's fine.
case.
It's fine. Nixie will be back up. Okay, move.
Move.
I'm healing the tank again.
I'm soaking now.
Nice job, guy.
Keep doing it. We can still wipe. So
True.
I'm soaking. I'm at 7. I'm at
I can
8.
come in.
Okay.
Yeah, take
Yeah.
it, take it.
Charger?
I'm out of position.
Yeah, I have it.
Boss is made.
Nice.
How the fuck
Much
did I not
better.
get out of my mastery?
I still don't understand how you died.